Hey guys, what's up? Doing I guess you'd call it a retro day today. So retro. Thought it'd be fun. Oh, get a little bit of a preview. All right, let's get this started. Empty. Which one? Guess better go with number one. This is one of my favorite guys. So yeah. Got that. Set this playthrough. It's part of the magic. Oh, good God, she's ugly. Don't look. Shut your eyes. Any day. Alright, you guys don't want to see this. Come in. Skip. Nope. You guys probably don't want to see this, so I'll pause and bring it back. Actually, no, I think you guys probably do want to see this because it's gonna be one of those full playthroughs. So you're gonna want to see the story. But most of you probably played it by now, but you know. Here's Tootie. She's cute, kind, glorious. Oh. We need some Flight of the Valkyries. Bumblebee. Okay, this works. That's good enough. Oh, you calling him lazy? It's not nice. Maybe you said late night. It's time to rager. Such good music. I don't know how they thought of the music. Top notch. Seriously. Top notch music. Is that your brother? No. I can't see him up there in the sky. What a pity. I agree. It's just going on outside and you're just sleeping away. He's just snoring away. That was so loud. How could you sleep through that? Look at you, man. Your bird can't even sleep through that. Your bird's downright panicking. What are you gonna do about that? There's trouble. Smack. Alright, what if we can play? We are! Oh yeah, we haven't really gotten abilities yet. I forgot. I was trying to refamiliarize myself with the stuff. Strange looking buddy. I can talk. Wonder who's translating this for us? Because all I hear is alright, we're almost. Come on. We're almost. Go. Nope. I don't want. I'm already good enough. good enough. All these combos are already ingrained in my head. I know everything. Whee! Yeah, you got that. Wow. See, I got this. But I am gonna really quickly go pause, and I'm gonna go get all the honeycombs that are here, because I know where all of them are. Oh, I know this is a playthrough. I'm gonna keep it rolling. Oh, wait, what am I doing? Oh, yeah, okay. The loss of focus right there was intense. It was very intense, guys. The lack of focus. Let's go. Wow. Oh. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. But we don't have that little talent trot yet. What? Come on. I got this. Yeah, I got this time. What? Got it. Two. Oh, of course. I forgot. Ledge grabbing wasn't implemented until next game. That's cool. It's okay, we got this. Oh, we got this. Oh. God. You gotta be kidding me. We'll get this. We'll get this. I'll be back when I actually get it. Guys, we made it. We got it. Get that trophy. I see you back there. Yemin. Look for me. I'm extra alive. No one cares. Everyone probably already knows. No, one of these. Wait. That one. That one. What? Got it. Okay. All right. Run. Look, those arms. Some flaily arms. Wish real people like ran like that. Great. Bam. Got a honeycomb. Honeycomb. In the ring. I don't know where I was going with that. Come on. Did the game fail to give me that? I think the game failed to give me that. Mr. Sir. There we go. What? Oh, it's not the smashy one, it's the bam. That one. God, I feel like such an idiot. I was going for the suit, for like the, I don't even know if it's in this one. Sometimes I get my Kazooies and Tooies mixed up. Yeah, it happens to everyone, guys. Alright, we got one more, I think. Because I think you can get all of them. Yeah. know you can fill up one here. Is it that guy? Bam. Nope. Was not. Let's... Oh! Oh, I remember. That took me a minute. But it's okay. Bloop. Bloop. Yes! Alright, guys. We're at 6. Yeah. Oh, got it. Alright. Up to the lair. So called. Run, 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 run. Run. Ah, it's gonna be so much better once I get Talon Trot. So much better. So you're ready to tackle the witch now? Yes. Show us the way, battle boy. Cross the bridge. Cross the bridge. Go across the bridge. Whee! Flip. You know, I would dare say this was one. I'd call this number 4 on my favorite games list from my childhood. Maybe at a later date I'll confide that in you guys. My top 10 favorite games. Though to be fair, I don't really know myself. I know like 1 or 2 or like 3 on that list. Actually, I guess 4, but not all of them. Not all of them. It's hard. It's very hard. Banjo, help! Aw, it's so sad. So sad. There he is. The fun begins. Alright, let's go over here. Let's go Mumbles Mountain. We'll go Mumbles Mountain. Alright, keep going. Keep going. Oh, where are we going? Oh yeah. We need that. We need that thing there. Okay. You saw where I need to leave the lair entrance? Okay, I'll come back when I found it. Wait. I'm obstinate. Oh, was I just gonna say the same thing again? I was gonna say the same thing again. Oh, I thought it was gonna be like clever, because most of the game's pretty clever when it comes to multiple, like, talking things. Then, yeah. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. Maybe. I don't know. I'm being so undescriptive. What? That was great. I like moved 5 feet up before I jumped. I gotta try this again. I gotta try the the super hops. Alright, so I was like this, and then I was like, so I started like, it was like, okay, it's just so like it's not steep enough to where you can run up it. So okay, I get it. I get it. Broken physics. Yeah, all old games have them. It's okay. Especially 3D games like this. Okay. Revolutionary. Oh, yeah. Gotta go put it in. We got the first jigsaw piece. It's called a jiggy. Get it right. It's a jiggy. Press A and press B. Bam! My belly's big. It's rather neat. It's years since I have seen my feet. You can always count on Gruntilda to give you some disturbing fact. Delivered in rhyme form. So great. 3 new moves. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Notes, notes, notes. Come here. I killed the bull. I got him. Ah! Creamin', I got you. I got your number. Got your number, bull. Come on. You challenging me. Ah! He just doesn't die. Murdered him before he could even say a word. Ruthless. Straight thug. Dude. This one's strong bull. He must be taking some bull testosterone. That's probably how he got so strong. He's probably addicted. He has it in short, you know, he has a really large supply. It's so easy for him to get it too. You know, since he's a bull, he knows other bulls that he can get it from. 10 of us in each world, yep, I remember that. The game does not look like it was made for the 64. The graphics are so like crisp and clean that you really wouldn't think it's 64. You'd more think like early GameCube, but then you look at some of the textures you can tell. But overall, yeah, it's pretty good. Sounds useful. Hold Z. Oh, okay. I remember this. Yay! Finally, guys, I'll be running like so much faster. Ooh, almost too fast. Ooh, 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 ooh. Figure eights. Get all. Oh, what? All right. I think this is a good place to end this episode. I'll see you guys next time. We'll be playing more Banjo Kazooie in the future. You can guarantee it. But just to send you on your way, I give you a flip of justice. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Ow. Shit. I'm so sorry, child. I killed my child. But it's okay. Fuck him. Oh! Ooh! Bitch!